Join me as I put PRODENTIN to the ultimate test and see if it really lives up to the hype. PRODENTIN is a dental supplement that's been gaining a lot of attention lately, and I'm excited to share my experience with it. As someone who's always on the lookout for effective solutions to common oral health issues, I was intrigued by its claims to promote healthy gums, reduce plaque, and even whiten teeth. So I decided to give it a try and see if it's worth the hype. Let's face it, dental issues are a problem that many of us face. From sensitive teeth to pesky cavities, it seems like there's always something to worry about. And despite our best efforts to maintain good oral hygiene, problems can still arise. I know I'm not alone in my struggles with oral health. I've dealt with my fair share of gum recession, plaque buildup, and even the occasional toothache. Finding effective solutions to these issues is crucial, not just for our oral health, but for our overall well-being. It's frustrating when, despite our best efforts, we still end up with problems that seem to come out of nowhere. And it's not just about aesthetics. Dental issues can have serious consequences on our overall health. From heart disease to diabetes, the link between oral health and our overall well-being is clear. So, when I stumbled upon PRODENTIN, I was excited to see if it could be the solution I'd been searching for. As someone who's tried countless dental supplements and products, I'm always on the lookout for something that will really make a difference. And PRODENTIN seemed to tick all the right boxes: natural ingredients, scientifically backed claims, and a host of impressive reviews. So, I decided to take the plunge and see if it would live up to its promises. When I first got my hands on PRODENTIN, I was impressed by the sleek packaging and easy-to-follow instructions. The recommended dosage was 2 capsules per day, which I took with water after breakfast. At first, I didn't notice anything out of the ordinary, but I was determined to stick to the regimen and see if it would make a difference over time. Within a few days, I started to notice a slight reduction in sensitivity. Nothing dramatic, but a subtle improvement nonetheless. As the week went on, I started to notice some more significant changes. My gums seemed healthier, with less inflammation and redness. And when I looked in the mirror, I could swear my teeth looked a shade whiter than they had before. It was as if PRODENTIN was working its magic from the inside out, tackling the root causes of my oral health issues rather than just masking the symptoms. But the biggest surprise came when I went in for my regular dental checkup. My dentist was impressed by the improvement in my gum health and even commented on how clean my teeth looked. It was a huge validation and one that left me feeling confident in the power of PRODENTIN. The biggest result I noticed after using PRODENTIN was the significant reduction in plaque buildup. I've always struggled with this, despite regular brushing and flossing, but after just a few weeks of taking the supplement, my teeth felt cleaner and more polished than they had in years. It was as if PRODENTIN had given my oral health a fresh new start. Of course, results may vary, but for me, the benefits of PRODENTIN were undeniable. From healthier gums to whiter teeth, it's become a staple in my oral health routine, and I'm excited to see how it will continue to benefit me in the long run. In conclusion, my experience with PRODENTIN has been overwhelmingly positive. It's met my expectations and then some, and I'm excited to see where it will take me in the future. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Have you tried PRODENTIN or any other dental supplements? Share your experiences and let's continue the conversation. Click the link below in the video description and take advantage of exclusive offers to transform your oral health in a practical and effective way. Don't wait. Take care of your smile today with PRODENTIN.